Okay, for this recording, I'm going to get you started on 10.2, number 22. For step 1, if you remember, alpha equals 0.1. Step 2, we have our H naught and we have our H1, and in here we're testing proportion. We know that H naught is always equal to, and in our case it was 5/8. And our alternative is not equal to 0.58. That means different from. So if it was not different from, it would be the same as, which is equals. So different from is 0.58. That is our claim. So I'm going to put an asterisk by our claim. Okay, now I'm going to go to step 3, which is the new part for this section. Step 3, since we're testing proportion, it is going to be a z-test. So I find my formula for z-test, and it's the same formula we've been using in this section, and I'm going to write it down. Then for p hat, I'm going to put in success over total, which is 285 over 500, minus our p hat, our p naught from above is 0.58, divided by square root of 0.58. 1 minus 0.58 divided by 500. Okay, so there's our numbers in our formula. I'll let you go through the calculations of it, and you should end up with z equals negative 0.45. So step 3 continued. Step 3 continued. We're going to look up our values. And this is where I'm going to kind of get you started and then leave you. So it's a two-tail test. So the good thing is when I take 0.1 divided by 2, since it's a two-tail test, I get 0.05, which is what we got in number 20 for our left tail, but I have 0.05 there and I have 0.05 in the right. So my z value is negative 1.64 or negative 1.645 if you do the table, and positive 1.64 or 645, whatever you'd like to use. Our z value that we got in our step 3 is negative, because that's 0 there in the middle. It's negative 0.45, so it's right there, which is in the clear. If you end up in the clear, you remember you will accept your H naught. If you end up in a tail, you will reject your H naught. And I'm going to leave you there. I think you can finish out this problem from there. So you've now seen 2 problems on the z, which are the 2 even ones I assigned. So you should easily be able to now go back and do your odd problems if you haven't already been able to do them. Okay?